Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and we're going to be doing a super quick unboxing of the Doogee S40 waterproof phone. Okay, so we bought this again from Shopee for 5,199. Still the same price ngayon. It's still 5,199. But we only paid for 5,199. Okay. Um, yes. So, as you can see, it's there. Kita nyo ba? Okay. So, let's open it up. Yeah! Okay. So, there it is. This is the S40 Rock Solid Explorer daw, no? It's supposed to have 32 GB ROM and 3 GB RAM. And it's supposed to be a dual SIM phone. Yeah. So I ordered the orange phone. Our friend German would love this because it's orange. Here's the phone. Ganda ng packaging yan. I like the way it's packaged. Looks like okay. It's the wall charger and a USB cord. Wala na after that. Let's see what's in here. Casing, walang casing, no. It's just a manual and the warranty information. Okay. So we'll open the phone now. This is supposed to be a waterproof, shockproof phone. Okay, so we'll find out soon if it's you see it's IP68, it's rated. The SIM card is supposed to be here. It's a dual SIM card. Can you see it there? I guess this is SOS button daw. Power and volume. Okay. I don't know where the. Okay, here is the. I assume this is the headset jack. Can you see? Headset jack. Baon na baon. Here's the charging port, I assume. Yes. See? Okay. And the SIM card is here. On this side. So, see? It looks like it uses a may tusukan. Okay, so we need to find a pin. We'll remove the covering and power it on. So it's a 5.5 Corning Gorilla Glass 4. It has a fingerprint scanner. Okay, see at the back. And it's a dual camera in the back with 8 megapixels and 5 megapixels. Open the waterproof plug before loading the SIM card and close it after finishing. Do not splash water to the phone when SIM card head was open. Okay, so it's now turning on. It's also an LTE phone. As I mentioned already, it's 3 GB RAM. Okay, may Bluetooth siya. Battery is 4,650. It says here dun sa it's type C, pero as you can see, this is not a type C. Okay, so hi there. Okay, skip continue. Okay. Back, no. We'll skip that. Not now. Skip anyway. So we can show you how much is left in terms of the memory. Okay, so it says here nga, no, it's supposed to be fast charge, 32 GB, flashlight, front camera. The front camera is 5 megapixels. Okay. It's supposed to be a dual SIM, parang micro SIM, ano. and LTE. Okay. So we'll open up the settings. Okay. Storage. Out of the 32 GB, you have 18% used, diba? So 5.91 used. So you have 26 GB left. Okay. So the camera, so that's the back camera, and this is the front. Okay, so medyo malabo yata yung front, pero yung back looks okay, right? So we'll pause this while we find a pin to open it. Back, wait, okay. May pin na ako. Wala siyang kasamang pin, ano? I don't know why. There should, parang meron dapat to. It's not in the box, so kulang siya. So we're gonna test it out now. Okay. So it's using a dual modified SIM tray. So you can put two. I don't think this is a. I think this is a nano SIM. Diba? Nano yan. That's not a micro. So two nano SIMs or one nano SIM and one SD card. So you put it back. So plastic siya, boys and girls. So be careful. If you break this, you're dead. I don't think they sell this. Na ito lang. Just dandahan lang, be careful with the rubber casing kasi you might break it. So there's a notch there on the top. So yun yung naka-face screen. Then you just push it down again using the, okay, make sure to close it properly. So comparing it to the Poco phone, it's almost exactly the same with kung may cover, no? So we'll test it out soon. Let us know what you think about it, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Well, when I was tinkering it with it, so it seems it has NFC, which was not mentioned in the description of the phone, and it also has an SOS, you know. Remember, this is a SOS button, so you can put in emergency contacts, and hopefully this, when you press this should go call the person that needs to be called. See? So we're gonna turn it off muna. So looks like this is a good phone when you're going out and everything else. Okay. So we'll be testing this in the next couple of days, and we'll let you know how it works out. Bye!